Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our SkillTrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer array1 of size m, and then integer array2 of size n as the input, and then one array will be in ascending order and the another array will be in descending order. So now we have to print the array which is in ascending order followed by another array, and if the all elements in the array are equal in both the arrays, then we have to print the array with smallest, that is smaller value first. Okay, then if both the arrays have same elements, then we have to print the first array followed by the second array. So we have to accept the integer array of size m and array2 of size n as our input, and then one array will be in ascending order and the other array will be in descending order. We have to print the array which is in ascending order followed by the another array, and if all the elements are equal in the both the arrays, then we have to print the smaller value first, and if both the arrays have same elements, then we are going to print the first array followed by the second array. So now we'll take our test case. So in this test case, we have array 1 in ascending order and array 2 in descending order. So for this case, we have to print like 1 2 3 4 5, that is array 1 which is in ascending order, and then the second array 5 4 3 2. So this will be our output. Now we'll take our second test case. So when you consider this test case, the values are same, that is the values in a particular array are same. So we are going to print the smallest value from these two array. So in these two, one is the smallest, so we are going to print the array with value 1 first and then the second array. So this will be our output, and now we'll take our third test case. So in this test case, we have all values are similar, so they are not ascending, they are not descending. So in such a case, we are going to print as it is, that is first we'll print the first array and then we'll print the second array. So this will be our output. Now let's see how to solve this program. So first we have to get the input integer m, and then the integer array 1, and then integer n, and then the integer array 2. So we are going to check several conditions for this program to get the desired output. So our first condition will be, we're going to check whether both the arrays has the same values or not. That is, if the length of set of array 1 is equal to 1, that is the particular value, and which is equal to length of set of array 2 equal to 1, means we'll be checking the other condition. So the other condition is, we are checking which is smaller. So for this, if the array 2 of 0 is lesser than array 1 of 0, means, that is, if array 1 is lesser, then we are going to print array 2 and then array 1, else we are going to print array 1 and then array 2. So this is the condition. So if this fails, we'll go to the other condition, that is, if 1 is in descending order and array 2 is in sorted order, then we are going to print array 2 and array 1. And if the array 2 is in descending order and array 1 is in same order, then we are going to print array 1 and then array 2. And the next condition is, if the length of set of array 1 is equal to 1, means, so if it has same value, then we are going to print array 2 and then array 1. And then if the length of set of array 2 is equal to 1, means we'll print array 1 and then array 2. And now it's the final condition, that is, if the array 1 is in sorted order, so we are going to print array 1 and array 2, else we'll print array 2 and array 1. So this is our program.